So here we are ready to learn a new tense, past perfect. So are you facing seriously problems in why to use this tense and what is the situation exactly when we are supposed to use this tense? Now let me take you a little back, take you a little into past continuous, and let's get one sentence from there and help us out to understand this situation. It will become really very easy for you to understand what is the exact situation and the purpose of using this tense. This is past continuous. Let's take a sentence from there. Now here I have written a past continuous sentence wherein this is my main sentence and this is my support. Now, what if both the activities get completed? Past tense is all about something that is done. It's no more connected with the present. So, but if both the activities get completed, let's see how. If I say कि the child ate a pizza when the mom came. तो यहाँ पे दो एक्टिविटीज़ है, child ate, mom came, right? और इस सेंटेंस में दोनों ही एक्टिविटीज़ कंप्लीट हो गई है। लेकिन अगर मैं यहाँ पे एक वर्ड चेंज कर दूँ, इफ आई से बिफोर, तो अब क्या आप गेस कर सकते हो कि दोनों ही एक्टिविटीज, दिस इज से एक्टिविटी नंबर 1 एंड दिस इज नंबर 2, तो ये दोनों एक्टिविटीज में से अकॉर्डिंग टू यू कौन सी एक्टिविटी पहले खत्म हुई और कौन सी बाद में खत्म हुई? क्या आप गेस कर सकते हो? लेट अस सी, द चाइल्ड एट अ पिज़्ज़ा बिफोर द मॉम केम, मतलब बच्चे ने पिज़्ज़ा पहले खा लिया और मॉम बाद में आई। सो डेफिनेटली जो हमारा फर्स्ट एक्टिविटी है वो एक्चुअल में पहले ख़त्म हुआ और जो सेकेंड एक्टिविटी है वो बाद में ख़त्म हुआ। सो नाउ हाउ दिस एक्चुअली विल लुक। हमेशा पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस मीन्स कोई भी एक्टिविटी किसी टाइम या दूसरे एक्शन या एक्टिविटी के पहले ख़त्म हो उसको हम कहते हैं पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस। दैट इज़ द सिचुएशन ऑफ पास्ट परफेक्ट। तो यहाँ पे हमारी ये वाली एक्टिविटी पहले ख़त्म हुई, तो इसलिए इसके लिए हम यूज़ करेंगे द पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस। सो हाउ इट विल लुक कि द चाइल्ड, अब अगर आपको याद है कि परफेक्ट के साथ में हम हैव और हैज़ यूज़ करते हैं, अब बिकॉज यहाँ पे पास्ट टेंस है, सो द पास्ट टेंस ऑफ हैव एंड हैज़ इज हैड। सो वी विल से द चाइल्ड हैड। अगेन इफ यू रिमेंबर, what form of verb should we use for past perfect, or I can say just perfect? Perfect आता है तो हम कौन सा form verb का use करते हैं? क्या आप guess कर सकते हैं? Yes, the third form of the verb, the past participle. So what is the past participle of eat? Eat, ate, eaten. Yes, very correct. So it says the child had eaten a pizza before Mom came. Now this will stay as it is. This is how the sentence will actually look like. अब ज़रूरी नहीं है कि दूसरा एक एक्शन हो ही. जैसे हमने पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस में देखा था कि देयर आर 3 situations या 3 support with the help of which we can complete the past continuous sentence. उसी तरह से पास्ट परफेक्ट में हमारे पास 2 सिचुएशंस है. एक है सिंपल पास्ट, दूसरा है टाइम. Now how would this sentence look if I am including time in this? So it will look, the child had eaten a pizza, say before 12 o'clock in the noon. So it's very simple, very simple. So you just have to remember the situation of past perfect. Past tense में पास्ट टेंस ही इसलिए यूज़ होता है कि हम कुछ पास्ट से रिलेटेड एक्टिविटीज़ बताते हैं. तो सिंपल पास्ट और पास्ट परफेक्ट में काफ़ी बार स्टूडेंट्स या आप लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाते हो कि सिंपल पास्ट यूज़ करें या पास्ट परफेक्ट यूज़ करें. तो लेट मी रिमाइंड यू वंस अगेन कि सिंपल पास्ट सिर्फ हम इसलिए यूज़ करते हैं कि हम पास्ट की इंफॉर्मेशन देते हैं, दैट्स इट. लेकिन पास्ट परफेक्ट में हम ये बताना चाहते हैं कि एक एक्टिविटी दूसरी एक्टिविटी के पहले ख़त्म हुई. और काफ़ी बार हम ये टेंस यूज़ करते हैं हमारे पूरे दिन में. जैसे हम कहते हैं, आप खुद भी कहते होगे कि यार आज मैं कल मैं घर पहुंचा, उसके पहले ही मम्मी ने खाना बना दिया था, तो मेरा यार बाहर जाने का प्लान कैंसिल हो गया. ऐसा कहते हैं कि नहीं, अरे मैं टिकट लेने के लिए गया लेकिन उसके पहले ही सारी टिकट्स बिक चुकी थी. सो ये सिचुएशन कौन सी है? ये सारी सिचुएशन पास्ट परफेक्ट की है. Now you would be easily able to connect this tense with your routine. और जब भी आप ऐसी कोई सिचुएशन किसी को कहते हो या आपके माइंड में भी आती है तो इमीडिएटली आपको ये चीज़ नोटिफाई हो जानी चाहिए कि मैं पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में सोच रहा हूँ या सोच रही हूँ. Okay guys, so let's see how they will go with different pronouns or nouns. Okay, so let's take a verb. Let's take now another verb. Let's take a verb to eat. Are you hungry? So let's say, so because we have perfect tense, we'll be needing had here, and the verb should be the third form. So what is the third form of eat? It is eaten. Here I would like to tell you guys that whenever you are learning tenses, you should every day revise the 3 forms of the verb. This will help you to register different forms of different kind of verbs, and while you are using, you won't make errors. So here, for all isn't it all same? So no worries whether to put were or was or as or es, nothing of such sort. Ekdam simple, है ना? Okay, so let us focus on couple of errors that you guys make so that you'll be able to rectify them all by yourself. The very common error that people make is to forget that we are working with the past tense. Can you find an error, or I can say how many errors? I'll tell you a bit later. So what is the error over here? Yes, you took it right. Had, and we would need the third form of the verb. So it is called. And what about this? Were you able to spot the error here? Apart from my have, anything else did you notice? Yes, of course, we need to put this over there, but apart from this, any error were you able to spot? Can you? Yes, exactly. I have just written one part of the sentence and I haven't shown that was it completed before something, some activity or time. If I'm not writing that, it just looks as if it is a past simple tense and I find no reason to use this tense. So I have to add the situation. Before dinner, or I can say before mom or sister came, or before my sister would even come to know that I have eaten. So if you are not completing the situation of past perfect, still it is an error. It could be before dinner, before it rained, anything, but this has to be there. The situation has to be there. Okay guys, let us see how the sentences can be converted into question and negative. So let's try converting this sentence into question and negative. Would you like to try it by yourself? Go ahead, pause the video and try making the two sentences, one in negative, one in question. Come back and check. Let us together check it. Okay guys, let's get started. So she had called me before I reached. अब इस सेंटेंस का क्वेश्चन फॉर्म क्या होगा? हमारे पास ऑलरेडी एक वर्ब है had. So मैं had का हेल्प लेके ये सेंटेंस को क्वेश्चन में कन्वर्ट करूंगी. So I'll have had she called me? Before I reached. It looks more like an exclamation. Okay, let's see the negative form. She had not called me. Before I reached. So, very simple. I guess now you won't be making errors while using this tense. Apart from this, even if you are making, you will now be able to spot your error and rectify them. So, whenever you are checking your content in writing task or you are listening to your speaking records, pay attention to whether you have completed the situation of the tense or not. Second thing, pay attention to the form of verb that you have used. Check if you have used the correct form of the verb or not. Have you missed with the had or not? So this will help you to pick your errors and correct them before your examiner does. So this is how you are supposed to use this tense, and I'm very much sure now forth you won't be making such errors.